Welcome, my name is Meizu M5s, and today I'll show you how you can set up your device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen right over here, and all you need to do is find your desired language. So for me, it's already selected the correct one, so I'm gonna choose continue, and then I can choose my region. Okay, let's continue. From here we have user agreement, so obviously you need to select agree. You can obviously read this entire thing, but as you can see, there is quite a lot out of it. Now, this will bring us to the next page. It gives us option to either insert a SIM card or connect to some kind of Wi-Fi. The reason for this is so we can simply get network access and, as an example, log into Google account. But let's see if I can skip this. It might back me out just because I did reset the device and I don't remember if I logged out, but that's my problem. Some more benefits and privileges, whatever. I'm gonna skip this. Enroll fingerprint obviously allows you to set up a fingerprint on the sensor right here. You can skip this if you don't want to use it. I'm gonna be setting up maybe a pattern, although we'll see. Congrats, the setting is complete. I guess I won't be setting up any pattern. So yeah, anyway, that was a fairly quick setup. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.